You finally hit $100,000. Years of grinding, saving, sacrifice. And instead of feeling rich, you feel scared. What if I lose this? What if this was just luck? That fear is why most people never turn $100,000 into $1 million. 1. The mistake everyone makes. The rules that get you to $100,000 do not take you to $1 million. The first 100K is built in survival mode. You hustle, you save aggressively, you track every dollar. It works, but only in the beginning. Most people never change the mindset, they just change the number. 2. The psychology trap. At 100K, money finally feels real, and fear takes over. You start thinking about losing more than growing. So people do 3 things. They keep money in cash, they panic when markets fall, or they upgrade their lifestyle too fast. Same brain, bigger money, same stuck feeling. Psychology calls this loss aversion. Fear quietly kills compounding. 3. The middle nobody talks about. Most money advice is for beginners or already rich people. Nobody explains the middle, 100K to 1 million. You have enough to matter, but not enough to feel safe. Every decision feels risky. Every mistake feels expensive. This is where most people slow down, right before wealth actually accelerates. 4. The real shift. Here's the truth. $0 to $100,000 is hustle. $100,000 to $1 million is systems. At 6 figures, money needs a job. Not excitement, not guesses. Systems. Automatic investing, long-term assets, income growth, lifestyle kept slightly behind earnings. That's when money starts working for you. 5. The simple math. $100,000 invested at 7% can grow to nearly $400,000 in 20 years without extra effort. The rest comes from consistency, not genius. Most people fail here because boring doesn't feel productive. $1 million isn't luck. It's patience when nothing exciting is happening. If you're past 100K, you're not behind. You're just at the stage where psychology matters more than hustle. If you want more content about money, psychology, and how wealth actually grows, subscribe.